I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread in oven updated. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and grease an 8-inch pan, then whisk cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, beat eggs with milk and melted butter, fold wet into dry until just combined. Pour batter into pan and bake until golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool briefly, slice, and serve warm with butter or honey. Whisk together 1 cup yellow cornmeal, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 tsp salt. Beat 2 large eggs with 1 cup milk and 1/3 cup melted butter or oil until blended. Fold wet into dry with minimal stirring to avoid toughness, then pour into prepared pan. For richer flavor, substitute buttermilk for milk, or add 1 cup corn kernels for texture and interest. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. I appreciate you watching and trying the recipe. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite for cozy kitchen reading while cornbread cools. It fits in a basket and holds thousands of recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Support keeps these recipes coming, and now let's get back to the video. Check cornbread at about 20 minutes by inserting a toothpick near center. Bake 20 to 25 minutes depending on oven calibration. If edges brown too quickly, tent with foil for the last 5 minutes to prevent overbrowning. Rest the pan 10 minutes before slicing to let structure set. For moist crumb, do not overmix and consider adding 2 tablespoons honey or an extra egg for richness and better flavor. Serve warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.